Welcome to Certainty Nonfiction. Today we are going to see 7 certainty facts about dogs. First one. Researchers found that there are 700 million dogs in the world. That's one dog for every 10 people. Second fact. Among that, 10 million dogs are inhumanly culled every year. Third fact. Every dog lives average of 15 human years. Fourth fact. The oldest ever dog is Australian cattle dog named Bluey, lived for 29 years. Fifth fact. All kinds of caffeine foods are toxic to dogs if eaten in large amounts, such as chocolates and coffees. Sixth fact. Approximately 1,200 dogs are killed every year. Seventh fact. And that is the final fact. A dog is a man's four-legged companion and best friend ever. Thank you for watching Certainty Nonfiction.